Hi guys, Norm with you again, and here we see lots of little volume pots with switches in. These are very similar to the ones in the Audioline PT-342 hideaway radio, and I'm hoping that I can use these to um, get the Audioline working. Now, sadly, it's not as simple as just fitting one of these in because the ones in the Audioline have got splayed out legs, like I've splayed them out here, but they're actually on an angle and they've got holes in, which you'll see in a minute when I open it up. And the actual problem with it is, if we can see here on this one, you can see that red bit of plastic and opens the switch and closes the switch. Now on the one in the radio, that bit of plastic was white and it broke off. So I'm hoping to be able, because there is a little tiny C-clip on there, I'm hoping to be able to remove that C-clip and pull off that red bit of plastic and hoping it'll be the right size to fit on the one in the radio. So we're still waiting for the soldering iron to warm up, but the thankful thing is that one of the new pots came and it broke. The actual switch contact sort of fell off. And so this is the ideal candidate to um, use in the experiment because this pot is damaged already. So that's good. So I think the thing to try and do is, if we can see, I can't even see, let's see, can't even see like, where the circlip opening is right there. Okay, so the opening is up here. Oh shit, where's that gone? Phew. Okay, as you can see there, it is off. I haven't got a clue how the hell I'm going to get it back on or get the one on in the radio. Let's pick this up and put it somewhere safe. Just in there. And now hopefully this red bit will just pop off. Yes, it does. Superb. Okay, well, now we just pick up this bit. Yep, there she is. That's the bit that's broke on the other one. Now let's put that somewhere safe as well. Of course, the trouble is now we've got to do that all again with the one out of the radio. Well, at least the soldering iron's warmed up now, so give me a minute and we'll get to that. Okay, so here's the part out of the radio, and hopefully, because this one hasn't got its plastic bit on, getting the clip off should be easier, I would think. But then again, maybe not. Push like that, and it doesn't come off. Why does that keep spinning round? Okay, that's basically how I just need to push both sides at once with these things. Come off. Golly, that's so close to coming off. You wouldn't believe it. Of course, it doesn't help that I can't even see it in real life. And there it is off. Where is it? Can I grab it with these? Yes. Oh, thank goodness for that. Right, I need to give me a moment and then we'll be back to try and put the other one back on. Okay, so you can see what we're playing with here. Here's my little tweezers, and here's the um, piece we need to put on there. And it kind of looks like it'll fit. Whoops. I've got to try and do this. Isn't going to be easy. But oh, no. Damn it. Come on. Hopefully that'll fit on there. Well, indeed. So, okay. Well, we've got that part on. And it does fit. I just need to try and push it down. Okay, hopefully it goes down far enough. And of course, the hard bit now is going to be getting that C-clip back on. Excuse me. Right, phew. Give me a moment and we'll get to that. Okay, so here is the little C-clip. And I've got absolutely no idea how this is going to go on. If it's even going to be complicit. Or if it's just going to fly off somewhere and we never find it ever again. Probably. Oops. I need to basically pick it up like that. Right, I got it. Roughly in position. Wow. Hopefully now I can squeeze it like this. Come on. Yes! Oh my God. Okay, so there it is. My God, that was quite a task. Let's see if it actually turns it off. Yep. On and off. Okay, so that's one repaired pot. So let's now put it back in the radio. Superb. So just as a comparison, here's the pot from the radio and here's the new pot. And as you can see, they are slightly different. They are exactly the same electronically. But yeah, it would have been quite hard to actually get them to fit in the radio. We'd have had to use some, maybe, dare I say it, hot glue or something to hold it in. But thankfully, we have been managed to repair the original one using parts of one of the new ones. So that is fantastic. So let me know. We just solder it back in and all will be good. Hopefully. Okay, so that's pretty much got it back together now, and we got squelch there. The high and low tone switch is working perfectly. The transmit and receive is working, and the high and low power switch is right, and we've got channels, and this switch does channel lock perfectly. So that's good, and this now does turn it off and on. So that fix was excellent, although it did take a hell of a lot longer than it should have done. Over there. Okay. Yep. So that's looking quite good. So we just now get the screws for that. Ay, ay, ay. I'll be happy when this one's done, I tell you. It's a beauty. 1, 2. 3. For this, I'm going to use my, I don't normally recommend using electric screwdrivers for doing this type of job. As you can hear there, this one has got a torque clutch on it, so it can be adjusted to very, very fine, so it will not over tighten the screws. Now, without having that torque clutch on, it's very, very easy to over tighten the screws and break off the plastic. So that's why I would never normally do screws on electronic stuff with an electric screwdriver. But this is a Bosch XO. I don't know what the hell that means, but yep, this is actually one of the best electric screwdrivers I've ever used, and it is actually my favorite tool with the torque converter clutch on it. Without this torque clutch, it's just got too much power and it will strip your screws and break plastic and everything else. But with this torque clutch, and you can adjust it right down to nothing, I had it on number 1 then, or you can go right up to big screws. But what you generally do with this, and what I do, is set it to its minimum when I'm undoing the screws. No, that won't undo it. So you set number 1, no. And whatever number you get to that undoes the screws, you know that that's what to leave it on when you tighten the screws again. And so when I took these out, I started off on 0. No, it didn't undo them. Put it on to number 1. Zoom, zoom, zoom. They all came out. So obviously I leave it on number 1 to put them all back in. And they get tightened up exactly the same tightness as they come out. Well, near enough. Anyway, so yeah, this video has been way too long. Hopefully I can edit it down a bit. But there it is now. Oh, yep, fully working. Whoa. Okay guys, so that's the now fully working Audioline PT-342. What a nice little radio it is. Now it's all done. Thanks for watching guys. Cheers for now.